lot of times when I'm out riding around, I see all kinds of funny things. And today I was out and just taking a ride just to get out of the house, out in my normal bike route that I take. And I usually go through this village, and then there's another little village up here on the right that we'll pass through. And I saw a scarecrow today that was really, really interesting. And I thought it was worthwhile to come back out and take some video of it. And I brought the drone out, and I'll try to get some shots of it from the drone because I want to be able to get close enough so you can see it. And I don't want to walk on this guy's rice field. But it's pretty interesting. This is a neat little neighborhood that I like. You know, you got a mixture of all kinds of different people living here. Some are farmers, and you know, some are homeowners, and just a different class of people all mixed together. But anyway, it's up here on the right, and off to the right of me is a golf course. And this place up on here that you're seeing on the right used to be a house. And so people bought it and they put a kind of like a homestay there, and it's not done real well. Well, listen, I'm going to shut the camera off and I'm going to find a place to park, and I'll show you this neat scarecrow. Pretty interesting little area. I came through here one day and there were ladies out here netting fish. But that's pretty cool right there. He's just sitting there and he's got some kind of a gun in his hand. I'm not sure exactly what it is. And then right past here is the golf course. Now I'm sure those birds that come in here are well aware of the fact that he's got a shotgun and gonna shoot them. That's pretty cool. But anyway, I'm going to go over here. I'm going to launch the drone, and I'll give you a drone's view of this area over here, and fly over the golf course and over some of the residences here. And we'll see you in a little bit. Bye-bye. Well, that was a pretty good flight yesterday, and I had done some video afterwards and it didn't come out real good, so I figured I'd come back, let these joggers get by me. And so anyway, I thought I'd come back out tonight and finish it. Talked to the guy yesterday, and what he's doing is the pond out there, he'll fill with fish after it gets up during rainy season. And people come out and pay him to fish or pay him to catch the fish. And usually what they do is they'll charge you by pound for whatever you catch and take away. But looks like the seeds are starting to come up a little bit. They look like they're turning a little bit green. Now what these are starter plants, and they'll grow real close together, and then they'll come out and pick them and replant them probably over in here somewhere, or one of the other fields that are close by. But once they start to get up a little bit high, they'll flood that, and then they'll come in and they'll pick them out in bunches. And I've got some video somewhere the lady's doing that, and I'll try to include it in this video because it was really interesting. I also have videos of them planting it too, and they are quick. These ladies, you know, they usually, what they do is they'll get in a row, and they'll just plant. And I've seen them plant, you know, 3 or 4 fields in an afternoon. They're really, really quick. But we'll go down here to the pond again and get a little closer look. Really nice guy. I got to talk to his mother yesterday. And unfortunately, when I walked away from the motorcycle, I had the camera and I had the transmitter on the camera, but I had forgot to put the remote mic on my chest, so I didn't get any audio. So it was kind of funny. But this is a really nice area, real peaceful, and it's my bike ride. I've been riding it now for 11 years, and this is the route I'll take on my bike. Now, why he's got this other pond here, I really don't know. Oh, okay, he's going to use that for the to fill the rice field when he goes to flooding it. Interesting. Or he's draining it off. That looks like it's being drained off. And this is going into the sewer system. Huh. Pretty cool. Yeah, he'll fill that thing up with fish, and there'll be people lined up out here to fish. Whew. Let's see what he's doing down here. He's playing in the mud. Swaddy Cop. Back again. Whoa. Oh, okay. You're trying to fill that one?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. That field, that yours too? Over there? The race field? That, yeah. Who's your buddy? That's really neat.
Same over there.
Same, yeah, over there. Yeah. I take picture. I take picture.
Yes.
I'll come. Do you want some pictures from up above?
No.
No?
Today
That's okay.
I don't want to on my phone. This day.
Okay. But what I say with my drone?
You upload?
Not yet. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah. I'll do it tomorrow night.
I will see.
Yeah, you'll see. And if you want, I'll come over here and take some pictures up and give to you.
You have Facebook?
Yes.
Okay. And Line?
No line, just Facebook.
Facebook. Okay.
Facebook and YouTube. Yeah, it's almost full. Let's see what we got.
Jot. Don't worry.
No, I love dogs. Can get it. Try
Okay.
search. Nope.
Yes.
No. Let's try something else. No, they're not there. Hold on.
Okay.
You hold the camera and I'll hold the phone. I'll get it for you. There we go.
Okay.
Right there. That's me.
Yes.
I'll
ไอ้
say-
จอดไปพูดได้ไง
Yeah, that's me. Right there.
โอเค
You send me friend request.
Okay. I send friend.
Yeah.
Yes, and messenger. Messenger.
Yeah, I'm on that too. Yeah,
My son.
I'll send you some video tonight
Yes,
if I can.
okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'll come back and take more. I'll take more. When you get done, I'll come back
Yeah.
and take
Wow.
good picture for you.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Thank you
Help
so
you.
much.
Bye. Yeah, I'll come back and take some decent pictures for him and help him out. Nice people. You know, he's got the land over there as well, where the rice field is, and so I guess that's his scarecrow over there. But everybody's nice here. I mean, you know, people talk about, you know, aren't you scared out walking around in the villages? And not a bit. I've not, like I said, I've never had a problem. I've never been asked not to come. I've never been, you know, shunned upon or anything. Matter of fact, they do more than welcome you in. So, you know, it makes it nice. But anyway, I'll try to get some more video or some drone video in with this video that I'm going to do on this and show you how they harvest the rice and how they plant it. I've got some clips. I'll just have to dig through and see if I can find them, and I'll put it in with it. But and on another note, the COVID situation here is getting worse by the day. Today they had over 5,000 new cases. We only had 10 here in Chiang Mai, but what's happened is they're shutting down Bangkok and some of the other provinces. And what they did was they went and announced it before they did it. And what they're really concerned about is the migrant workers that live in the camps on the construction site. And there's 600 construction sites in Bangkok. And what their plan was to go in and seal them off and keep everybody in quarantine for at least, you know, a month. And they were even going to pay them. Well, they made the mistake of talking about it before they actually did it. And there's been an exodus out of Bangkok all over people leaving traffic jams just to get out of Bangkok before the lockdown started. So it really kind of defeated its purpose. It kind of turned it into what Scarecrow was when everybody went home to their families, and then spread the virus all around. And this is the worst one. This, what we're seeing right now is the Delta virus that supposedly Sinovac doesn't even touch. So it's going to get tricky, and we're just going to kind of wait it out and see what happens. I'm set to go for my shot on the 7th, and Lek and I have already discussed it. If they offer us Sinovac, we're going to turn it down, and try to get on a waiting list for one of the other vaccines that's a little bit more potent. And in the meantime, we're just kind of being careful, and I don't worry too much about getting around people around here, but when you get up into the city or you get in big crowds or something like that, you have to keep your distance. And that's the safest thing to do, and just remember to wash your hands and try to take care of yourself. But anyway, I'm going to get out of here and go home and work on this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Remember to subscribe to the channel, click like, leave me some comments, and I'll get back to you. I appreciate everybody that subscribed to the channel. It's really helped out a lot, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.